Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you a quick practice that can help you in your daily life using foam roller. We will start with lower back. Just lie down, place your foam roller a little bit lower than your back. Rotate your pelvis, raise your legs off the ground. Open your knees towards the side. Just nice and smooth, lower your toes and heels down. Keep in mind one thing, you need to have flat back. This is very helpful for your lower back. Keep engaged your core, not relax your back. Keep moving. You can do one set of 10 or 20. Then hold, close your legs, keep your back flat. Open your legs in front and just open your legs one by one forward. Left first, you can do 10-12 reps and then you switch. If you feel comfortable and if you don't feel too much pain, then you can do a few sets of that. Here we go, right leg forward, keep your back flat. Try to work and feel very stable. Okay, bend your legs again, open them towards the side, knees towards the side. Keep holding your core. We will start opening our legs, straight legs towards the side. Keep holding and engaging the core. And bend them. Here we go, we start to bend our toes. Keep moving. Don't forget, keep holding your spine, your back flat please. Straight legs, bend them again in front. On the ground, rotate your pelvis, raise your back off the ground and just hold this. You can hold as much as you want, push from your butt. Okay, you can breathe a little bit and then we're moving to the next one. The next one, starting from the left leg, you place your foam roller to the left side and then you slide towards the side first and then towards the back. Your hips drive backwards. Try to feel the stretch in your left side of your leg. In the end, hold a bit and then you switch. First, we're going to slide, knee on the ground, we're going to slide towards the left using same leg. And then we're going to change, we're going to do same thing using our right leg. Hold here. Okay, then switch. Right leg up and just slowly slide. You can roll in the same time. Keep your hips in the middle. You can do 10-12 reps and then start moving your hip backwards. Keep your lower back straight while you are moving your back. Few more. Go ahead, breathe normally. Last one, hold. Okay, then knee on the foam roller and just slide towards the side. While you are sliding, take care of your lower back. You should not pike your back. It should be arched and you need to feel your stretch. Okay, release, we're moving forward. Nice. Elevating our right leg. This is very useful for your hip. Try to touch. When I'm doing this move, please stay focused on your hips. They should be square. Try to not lie down towards the side too much. Use your hip and leg muscles to push up. You can do 10-12 reps. The last one you hold and then you switch. Here we go. Arms on the ground, inhale. Work from the left leg right now. As you can see how my right hip is working, it is stable. I'm not leaning too much towards the side. Keep pushing as high as possible, as high as possible. This will help you with your lower back pain and in generally will give you better strength in your hips. 10-12 reps on this side. Okay, and then we continue. Sit down, adding adductors, straight legs. We're gonna reach with our straight leg on the top of the foam roller. Right leg up. 10-12 reps on each side. Here we go. Work, try to keep your lower back flat, lengthening through the spine. Raise your leg as high as possible. As high as possible. And then we'll switch. Left. Higher. Try to not lean backwards too much while you're raising your leg. This is very important. Okay, and the last one, we're gonna do quick release. Place your foam roller under your quadriceps and just roll first. 10, 12. Then with your left arm, you grab your toes and continue rolling. You will feel more tension in your leg, which is okay. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Okay, breathe. Nice and easy switch side. 10, 12 for each exercise. Place it right and just start to roll. Do not roll too fast, too slow. Feel yourself, feel your body. Keep moving. 10, 12 with straight leg. Then we're gonna grab with our right arm the toe and we're gonna do same. Just roll back and forth. Quick release. You're gonna feel really good stretch in your hips, also legs. Okay, then we continue with thoracic spine. Place your foam roller toward the side, left arm placed up, and then we slide towards the right side. Try to reach as far as possible. You can do 10, 12 for each side. Last one, just hold a couple of seconds. Shoulder on the ground and left arm open. And then we switch side. I'm doing it quite fast using my speed. You can do your own. Right arm and just slide more. As far as possible, please, as far as possible. This is really helpful for your upper body. And just place your shoulder on the ground and rest. Switch. Arms on the top on your foam roller, knees backwards, straight arms, and just push your chest down. 10, 12. Try to exhale as more as possible while you are pushing back. Last one, hold and breathe. That's it. Thank you for being with me. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Peace.